how did you make them?
Just you had the shirt, and then you would cut this part off from the seam, and then you would cut this part deep, and then you would cut the part off that part, and then you would cut tassels in it, and then chain those around.
Now, you're going to take an egg, which is this one, and this is the coconut roll, and you're going to take your finger, put it in there, and then you kind of spread it around.
Cool. You can wrap something right now, right? Did it work? Excellent.
I make granola bars, soap, shampoo, all that, so you can recycle.
You should always recycle stuff, and that helps a lot better.